What's up and welcome back? It's TFT's channel. Today I'm hands-on quick overview the Huawei MatePad Pro. I really impressed this device and this design is really amazing. The round corners is looking unbreakable. Okay, first overview this tablet. It's a 10.8 inches QHD resolution display. It's not a AMOLED, it's OLED display. But the viewing angle quality is really amazing. And this tablet is very smooth and running on EMUI 10. It's a Huawei's own UI. But it's very fluid and change applications and swipe to swipe. It's very fluidly open. This tablet top left corner side one punch hole here, punch hole inside 8 megapixel of the front facing camera here. At the rear camera, it's 30 megapixel with support 4K video recording. See guys, yeah, the quality is good, not bad. Some future is shooting mode such as a slow motion, time lapse, subject tracking and lot of the features available on this tablet. Everything I am review on coming up videos. Let's look the sound department. Who are promising this 3D stereo sound? Yes guys, totally 4 Herman speakers here on the tablet, 2 on each side of the tablet. What do you think guys? Its sound quality is good or bad or better? Totally 4 speaker guys. Next I'm try you listen the quality is good or not. Baby, it's not simple to say. I love you, don't throw this away. Hey. Sound quality is really amazing. I really like. The processor is a Kirin 990. It's a flagship processor. Also, you know, it's the best gaming and everything is the best and best processor. On the tablet, it's very slim tablet. It's a 7.2 mm thickness, but the tablet inside 7250 mAh battery here. It's a huge battery with support 40 watts fast charging. Wow, guys, it's just 45 minutes to 1 hour full charge on your tablet. It's really amazing. Also, one of the new feature it's the wireless reverse charging support. It's amazing. And computer mode. The MatePad Pro run on EMI UI 10 that feature a new virtual design, split screen, multitasking, and support for controlling your Huawei smartphones functions that a virtual windows within the tablet. It also has a computer mode. Yes guys, this computer mode similar to the Samsung Task. It look like the desktop interface. It's really cool and I really like this computer mode. It's cool. Okay guys, finally my opinion. I really like this tablet, the sound quality, also its camera is really good and the 7250 mAh battery with 40 watts fast charging support. It's a tablet, but the future is really amazing. I like this tablet. What's your opinion guys? Comment now.